welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I have a review of a great product. So I have to admit, I did try this one out beforehand. It's been sitting on my desk forever. It's called Neon Amplify. It's radiant. I saw it on an ad somewhere. It's Tsukineko, or maybe I said that wrong, but it's the Japanese brand of inks that lots of us know. As I saw it on an ad or in a project or something, I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. I bought some, and then of course I never used it. So I had it sitting on my craft desk, and this weekend I actually decided to do some crafting for fun, and I tried this out. So there's a couple of different things you can do with it. I'm kind of going to ruin the surprise a little bit, but these are 3 options with it. And you can see how well it pops on black cardstock, something we're not really used to. So we can apply it with a Dauber, and I'm going to show you the magic. You can apply it as just a piece like this, and then you can see how it's going to end up puffy, or you can have it flat like this and just add highlights with it. So loads of options. I also did it on craft cardstock, so you can see that it really does pop on both. And the great thing about this is it's got that same puffy texture, so it feels textured like snow. All sorts of really, really fun, cool things in there. So lots of options for us in there. So I'm excited to show you. So this is what it is, Neon Amplify. Comes in a bottle like this one. And it also has a nice fine tip on it. So you can use it straight out the bottle. And so you can do a line like this. You could also paint with it, of course. I took some on my glass mat and just grabbed a Dauber and picked it up. You can even just put it down and add your texture in that way. So you see how easy that is to use. And then you can either leave it to dry if you have some patience, or if you're like me and you don't have any patience, you can heat it straight away. So you want to turn your heat gun on and get it nice and warm. And I found that pre-warming my heat gun gave me better results than just going in and waiting for my heat gun to heat up. This is the new Wagner one. I've used it a few times. I really like it. It has 2 speeds. And it sits on my tabletop like this. So if I wanted to do something like, heat embossing from underneath, I can do that. And it's all hands-free if I needed 2 hands for my project, which is nice. So now I'm going to heat this up. And I'm heating this area right here. And you can see it change. It's going to a more intense white. You can probably see like a bit of a wave going across my paper. And it's going from just a flat paint to puffy paint, essentially. I'm going to lift this bit up as I do it so you can see, because this is super cool how it does this. Look how it now, isn't that cool? Starts to puff up. Now, the only thing I'm going to caution you is you don't want to over puff it. I'm going to do this bit on the end, and I'm going to over puff it. So it goes puffy, 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 and then it will start to go yellow and crack. So there is kind of that optimal amount. This is kind of my peak. I'm not going to get any more than this. And then you wait, it's going to go. There we go, it's starting to go yellow. And actually my cardstock is burning. So I'm going to stop because I can smell burning from my cardstock. But can you see how I've gone, look, how many options you have? You can do flat, like this. You can do just like the textured Dauber. You can go a little bit puffy, or you can keep heating it and go super puffy. Look at all that dimension if I turn it over. So I really, really love this. I was like, one of those things that just sits on your bench and you're like, oh, I'll get to it, I'll get to it. And then I tried it out and I'm like, wow, this is so cool. I have to do a review video. So as in something I bought just totally on a whim, but I absolutely love it. I think you'll love it too. Just because of the versatility and how well it genuinely pops on white, because we're very used to things on white that just kind of sink in the background. So links below for what I just used. I'll link up that new Wagner heat tool, and of course the Neon Amplify as well, and my favorite black cardstock for you. So check out those links below, and our Hedgehog Hollow coupon codes. There are lots of savings there that you'll want to use over and over again, and they are more month long, and then they change every month. So check those out. If you want more savings, you can become a member. But of course, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's tutorial and my wow moment. And of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because I'll be back tomorrow with another tip, trick tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different. Who knows? I'll see you then. Bye.